Are you interested in a Satago starter kit? This video shows you what to expect. The individual parts of the pick-to-light system are removed one after the other, and the function is explained briefly. Have fun watching! When you open the box, you will find all parts in separate recesses so that nothing can slip during transport. Let's start with the control, the actual brain of Satago. This has 4 connections for the sensors on the upper side. On the front side, there are all common connections for other peripherals, such as USB, HDMI, or network. The next unit is the I/O module. The I/O module has 16 digital inputs and outputs. These outputs can be used to connect additional devices, such as screwdrivers or foot switches, which can be switching conditions for the system. The monitor is placed in the packaging with the touchscreen facing down. All connections and control knobs are located on the rear panel. The 20 sensors contained in a Satago starter kit are located in a separate compartment so that they can be removed together. They are placed with the EasyClick adapter plate facing downwards. These click fasteners make it easy to attach the sensors. The 2 power cables for the controller and the I/O module are removed here. Next are the connection cables for the sensors. These are supplied in the desired length. Various mounting options are provided for the monitor included in the starter kit. A stand and a wall bracket with various accessories are included. The starter kit also includes a push-button housing for manual relaying after a production step. Furthermore, there are some additional articles in the box. These are a USB cable for connecting the I/O module, an HDMI cable, a power supply for the monitor, and an instruction manual. The complete box of the starter kit is now cleared out.